everyone? This is Fast Break 2-box number 49. We are down to 5 teams left. So let's remove the packs. Let's remove the packs. Put teams in the chat or someone kill for 59. Teams in the chat or someone kill for 59. Alright, there's a killer for 59. Thank you, Jeff. Alright, guess the first auto for 16. Then contenders is next no matter what. Do I see a bronze early? I do. Bronze! What's up, Liben? Good luck. And the repack promo. A repack promo on this one as well. We don't have many boxes of this left. Towards the end. DeJounte Disco. Blue. Rookie for the Thunder. Theo Maladone. Fireworks of Mitchell. Maxi rookie. Philly. Blue. Kevon Looney. Golden State. Advia. It's either a disco or a variation. Tillman on the disco. Raid. Oh, it's a king. It's Ramsey. Flashback, nice. Steph. Disco. Bogdanovich, silver. George, fireworks. Killian. Giannis, disco. Purple of Timmy Duncan for the Spurs. Stelzy. Bane, rookie. Bertans. Howell red, Dallas. First autos for the Nets, Dinwiddie. Who's sharp? Jaw Downtown Disco. Pritchard on the Disco. Box 1. Red is Rodney Hood. Widescreen of Anthony Davis. Zion Disco. Purple. Remember Jeremy Lamb, Pacers. Brogdon. Blue. Langston Galloway on the blue. Wiseman on the variation. Warriors. Winston on the Disco. There is a bronze for someone. Paschal on the blue. LaMelo rookie. Silver of Tybalt. Next auto. Rookie auto of Tillman. The Grizzlies. Ash. Nice flashback here of Giannis. Come on, big bronze. Bronze is number to 20. Halliburton rookie. It's a rookie. Oh, it's Isaiah Stewart. It's in the kill. Souza. He's in the rotation, right? Nice piece. 18 to 20. That was the break recap and the repack promo.
Dice roll. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wizards.
There you go, Macklin.
And Mavericks.
Sorn. Macklin gets the promo. Sorn earned the 5K. And guys, it's going to be in a little over a month.